2, 3, 5. I can't believe I'm saying season 5, but thankful that I get to say season 5.
Very thankful.
As you know, we changed from the travel trailer after the Michigan trip. We changed from the travel trailer over to our Tiffin. All winter long, we've had the motorhome in our carport here at the house, and I have been busy most weekends.
You have been.
We've all been. The boys have been crawling under it, doing things. Cindy's been, just last night, Cindy had grease in her hair. We've been really hard at work all winter getting ready for season 5. We thought we had plans, but a monkey wrench got thrown in and things got changed up a little bit. It was an expensive outlay to do everything we've done with the transition to the motorhome. So our plans were to just kind of lay low, have kind of a quieter summer this summer for season 5, but that didn't really work out. At Christmas time,
Oh, wow. Oh.
and we're happy it didn't work out. At Christmas time, we were surprised by my mom, Gigi, with a travel gift. And we're going to tell you a lot more about the story behind the gift. She gifts us with
A trip to Alaska!
Alaska,
guys.
Well,
all right, we're here at the post office, and we just got our
We just
Mug
got
shots.
passports.
Not mug shots.
So $290 for the cards. Should I talk about money?
no.
No.
No. All right. I'm guessing we're about 12 weeks before takeoff date. So they say we should get it back in 6 weeks. So we're well ahead of schedule. We had to write a check for the picture, then a check for the passport, which we got the card, and then a check for the post office for their transaction fee. And so for 4 people, we ended up writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 different checks. So don't show up with a checkbook that's getting thin. Gigi gifts us a cruise, the entire family. We're going with Gigi, we're going with my brother and his family, we're going with my sister. We're cruising from Vancouver up to the Anchorage area, and then we've got a land tour up to Denali. That's all part of season 5. But our wheels started turning. We we couldn't just buy this new motorhome and not use it on the first season, right? I started scheming and threw something out at Cindy that was pretty epic. What we were doing, and we had to extend this trip time-wise. Since we already need to be all the way out in Vancouver, we decided that this would be the year that we will just beeline it over to the Pacific coast, and we're going to motorhome up Oregon, Washington, visit Seattle. We're going to take the cruise. We're going to take the train from Seattle to Vancouver.
Getting exhausted.
We're going to be cruising, then we're training up to Denali, then we're flying back to Seattle, picking up the motorhome again. We're going to be motorhoming through the British Columbia and the Canadian Rockies. So Jasper, Banff, Lake Louise, maybe another visit to Glacier and Yellowstone or the Black Hills. We'll see how it pans out. It's a big, big season, folks.
Mm-hmm.
Woohoo!
Woo! Yeah!
We are 9 weeks from takeoff and have been working pretty diligently every chance we get to get things prepared. Over the last 2 weekends, we've been working with getting our towed vehicle set up for the trip. That's this little Honda Fit here, and we had the base plate put on. We actually went on a test tow. We were driving ourselves crazy. You know, where did you put this? Where did you put that? Can't find things. And you know, when I got to looking with the travel trailer, there were only a couple of locations where something could be, but we have 16 basement bays on this, plus a ton of interior storage. So things can get lost easily. So Cindy had a great idea, and this morning we made this map. So this is a map out of the basement storage only. The double line there is where the rear wheels are. So there are 6 bays behind rear wheels and 10 bays in front. So there's a total of 16 bays. Today we're going to go through, decide what must come on the trip, what doesn't have to come on the trip, and we'll write it all down on here, and then this will be our little guide, so hopefully we don't drive ourselves crazy this summer. It is 10:40 at night, and Jasper's flight is just leaving Atlanta, and so he's on his way, and I'm on my way to the airport. Jasper's only 14, so I want to get there. I think this is the first time he's flying alone, and so I want to get there early and make sure I'm at the gate in time, that he doesn't feel lost or anything. Boy, parking at our airport was really nice. The garage behind me there, $1 a half hour. Never seen that before. We have a beautiful airport here in Greenville. Alright. And boom. Well, we managed to get Jasper from the airport and get him home. I didn't want to pull the camera out on him. You got to break in the newbies kind of slow. You'll see Jasper in a bit. I'll introduce him to you. We leave this afternoon. It's the day of the trip. It's finally arrived, and we are very excited. We have a half day at the office, so we're going to be going into work. It decided that it was going to rain all day today, so I pulled in the slides before we leave for work. And I think we have everything packed. I mean, there's a very short list sitting on the kitchen counter that we still have to address, last minute things like toothbrushes and stuff. I have these grandiose plans of a nice drone shot of us leaving out of the driveway, and maybe some shot where the motorhome drives over the camera. It doesn't look like the drone's gonna be up in the air. So this is a shot when we have all our slides in. We still have access all the way through to the back. It gets a little tight right there at one spot, but I can walk through there fairly easily without twisting. Certainly normal people could walk it very easily. The 3 boys will be sitting here on the couch. That's the only place in the rig that has the seat belts. Trying to wrestle with this chair right here. This chair is a rocker and a swiveler. It bangs all over the walls as we're driving, and there's no way to lock it down so that it doesn't do that. I'm gonna try something with a bungee. So I have a bungee sitting in the seat, and we're gonna try to bungee it somehow. Man, 6 to 8 hours and we will be pulling out. It's exciting. If you've seen some of our videos in the past and you've considered hitting the bell or the subscribe or something like that, but you didn't do it. We weren't quite good enough for you. Owen's better looking now.
Yeah, I mean, that's a big difference.
Ethan's
folks.
improved his personality a little bit.
Oh, that's enough.
Very little. Anyway.
He's gotten more negative.
I have
Yes.
more negative than the Michigan trip.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, man. If we didn't quite get you to hit that button before, hopefully you'll hit it now, because there's big things to come.
Also, if you hit that bell and subscribe button, that keeps you up to date with our current videos and gives you a notification when we do have a new video. So we hope you join us on our epic Alaskan journey. Journey.